Good morning, everyone. I love early mornings. The fresh air, the morning dew, the bird song, the way the morning light makes colours look so much more vibrant. But I don't wake up early every morning, and it certainly doesn't always feel easy. But recently I've decided to become somewhat of an occasional early riser, an aspiring early riser, if you will. So my alarm went off at 5 a.m. I resisted the snooze button and headed straight out the door and into a beautiful, misty and quite mysterious looking world. I just feel so happy right now. Good morning, everyone. It is just past 5 o'clock in the morning, and I decided to wake up early today to come down here and spend the morning here in this field and maybe walk around the woodlands for a little bit afterwards. And I'm so glad that I did this because it's so magical down here, and it's already quite bright, as you can tell, because it's the middle of summer, and I think sunrise is like 4:45 at the moment. So by the time I got here it was already like almost daylight, and it's just so beautiful and serene. There's no one else here. I mean, there's usually no one else here even during the day, but this early in the morning it feels especially magical. I don't know if you can hear the bird song. They've been going since I got here, obviously, and I just feel really very alive and awake, despite the fact that it's only just, I don't know, past 5 o'clock. I'm so glad that I decided to wake up early today and come here because, I mean, look at this. Is this stunning? It makes me so happy, and it also makes me feel so incredibly lucky that I live here, that I get to live here. And it makes me feel like as long as I have moments like this in nature, in places like this, I'll be okay, no matter what's going on in the world. And I know, of course, that that's a very, very privileged position to be in, but... Okay, let's go on a little walk. With everything going on in the world at the moment, it feels really important to find ways to look after ourselves. For me, there are two things in particular that help me relax and bring me joy almost without fail: spending time in nature and listening to music, often both at the same time. I've created a playlist specifically for moments like this, when I want to move to my favorite music out in nature and dance like no one is watching, quite literally. It feels so good, so liberating, and it's just so much fun. And if you haven't tried it yourself, I would highly recommend it. Time in nature has kind of become my sanctuary, my happy place full of magic, and I find it both really exciting and soothing at the same time. Now that I spent the first part of my morning outdoors and really enjoyed myself, I feel ready to properly start my day and deal with all of life's ups and downs. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and as always, I will see you next time.